अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, मैं मोहम्मद इमाम तहसीन ट्रस्ट टीवी की जानिब से आपका इस्तकबाल करता हूं। देखते हैं आज की अहम खबर।
आइए नाजरीन, एक लॉकडाउन में एक नया लूटमार ऑनलाइन क्लासेस नाम पर स्कूल में एक नया तमाशा चल रहा है, जिसकी वजह से कई पेरेंट्स परेशान हैं कि कहां से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस फीस पे करेंगे। और इस वजह से कई बच्चों के दिमाग पे असर हो रहा है और आंखों पर असर हो रहा है। आइए इस सिलसिले में न्यू मॉडल हाई स्कूल प्रिंसिपल खलीलुर रहमान से हम पूछते हैं।
Welcome to Trust TV News. My name is Marian Nas. Today we have Mr. Khalilur Rahman with us, Director of New Model High School and President of Minority Confederation Institutes. So sir, today I have few questions for you. According to me, online classes can affect children's eyes and brain. So what is your opinion about this?
First of all, I thank the Trust TV and Janab Imam Tehsin Sahab for calling me for the Trust TV for the interview. The first question for you is that the online classes. Madam, nowadays the new generation very much attached with that TV, that the mobile. It is very much they are going to be used. Always the children is having the. We are trying our level best. Let them to be avoid the mobile phone and all the things with the student, but unfortunately we are unable to just have to all this electronic gadget to be separated from the students. But nowadays, after the COVID-19 or the what is this? What we are having this coronavirus is going on that on the last 3 months there is no classes for the student, no touch with the students. Student all busy with all the things are there. Now that the government the restricted for the all the things are open, but they are restricted for the school to be open in the month of maybe the July, mid of the July or the August. For that purpose, schools and the colleges they are going for the only very few 1 hour, 40 minutes or 30 minutes. They are going to be give let the touch with the student. Otherwise, what happened after the 6 months gap? It is very difficult for the children to be come up on the studies. So the school studies they must know about it what is going on the street. They must attach with the teachers and they must do something in them. I'm not going to be I'm not favor in the online teaching, but the thing is that at least they must take for the half an hour with that the online teaching. It is good for them in spite of going for the simply games, PUBG and other games for it. So it is better to let them have the half an hour, not more than half an hour, the 40 minutes for the online. That's more than enough for us.
Okay, sir. So when it comes to the fees, like we all know, when student doesn't pay the fees, like when teachers scold them in front of their classmates, which results that students stop going to the school, and that is the main reason of school dropout. So what would you like to say about this?
Regarding this, I request that all the school management, the fees matter with deals with the parents only. They are not going to be tell the students. They make a go for the SMS. They make call the personal to the parents and call the parents, and if they are not in front of the children, let the direct contact with the parents and the responsibility of parents also. If they are having any problem, they must come and request to the school management regarding the fees. And it is completely wrong for that to have to force any student for the fees, especially in this lockdown period, because the government has already taken about it. We are no management is going to be force them to the fees pay now in this period. So they are going for that. Let them touch with the first the students to the studies. Then afterwards they will see what we can do about the fees. We will decide about the management, and when the conditions are going to be normal, then after we will think about the fees and all the things.
Okay. Sir, even about the timings, like so many schools nowadays, their timing is from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Like I'm not in favor totally, but it is said to be those that school says that we are concentrating on the what you say, the students who are not perfect in the studies. So but still when a student is concentrating only on studies and not able to give time for the extracurricular activities, what would you like to say about this, sir?
Now it is important for the extracurricular activities of the students wherever the schools are having the time 8 to 8 or 9 to 9. just like the residential school, semi-residential school, but they must have the 1 period, 2 period for the physical exercises, and the extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities must be attached with that the student, for the sake of the mentally and the physically development of the student. It is very important for the student, for the physical development as well as the mental development. They must go out for the 45 minutes, 1 hour during this time out of the school. Let them have some fresh air for them. The whole time from the 12 hour to sit in matlab, it is completely not advisable for any management to do for this.
Okay, so like as you have said now, 45 minutes for each class, but we can see like so many schools are not having the playgrounds, so there's no space for the students so that they can go out. So what would you like to say about this?
The thing is, the parent must see that the where is the attached playground must be there. Need not to go for that the school where they are not having the facility of the games, they are not having that the sufficient space for. That is the parents look for them. I request that the management also, they can go now. The MCHs are giving for the nearby playground, nearby what is this recreation centers. So many recreation centers are there. They can go attached with the school. They are yearly basis, very nominal fees for the school. They are giving for the 1 hour 45 minutes for the school for the student. It is very important for the students as well as the parent that the students have to go outside the school during this period. 45 minutes a day they must go out of the school. It is very important.
Okay, so our next question is about the bags. Like students have to carry 10 to 11 kgs of bags. Like every school they're giving them so many extra subjects, like they are going on adding. So what would you like to say about this? Like students have to carry those bags from ground floor to first floor, second floor and third floor, which is causing students the cervical spondylitis as well. So what would you like to say about this?
Here is also I suggest the management of the school, let them have the, first of all they have to minimize the weight of the students. It is very important. They are not supposed to carry the this much of the. If they are having the books, they must have one cupboard or any room, especially to keep the books and the notebooks there in the school premises only. And they must do here. And they are having the one notebook in the all the subject. They can do it, and they can go and copy it into the house. Some notebooks are there. They can put some books and the readers in the class. And moreover, in our schools, we are having one cupboard, especially 1 or 2 cupboard for the student. They can keep the books and notebooks in the school itself.
Okay, so now like so many people are saying the school associations have made this a business, like a true business, where they are looting the parents regarding like extracurricular activities or any sports days or any something like that. So what would you like to say about this?
The parents take care about it because where there is this looting system, because in our society what we are having the Confederation of the Minority Institution, what the schools we are having, we are not going to be charged must fees. We are not taking the must extra fees for them. We the societies of the school, we are very much particular about it. We are not going for the extra burden of the parent. It is only in the corporate schools where they are having the much fees. This we are having related with the low budget school or the community schools we are taking. There is a two different type of this. What you are talking about is the corporate schools, where the fees are very high. They are giving extra luxuries to the student. They are going to be charged. They are going to be what the word you have is the looting or anything. We are not going. What we are having, we are facing about here in this area. We are having the low budget school. We are having that the community schools are going on. Like this, we are going to be taking.
Okay. So and sir, even in the lockdown, the students and the parents are getting the messages and calls about the fees. So what would you like to say about this, sir? Do they have to pay immediately?
No, at present 90% of the parents they are not having the money. 90% I am saying, maximum person. And that the some school, not all, some schools. They are too again telling about that the corporate school, big schools only they are going to the either the lower budget school or the budget school, community school. Their parents are suffering a lot. They are not having the money. We know that the condition of the parent. We are not going to be tell anybody for it. Till now we have 3 months are there. It is from the March, April, May, now June is there. Still that the 5-6 months are there. We hope that maybe that what will that the government will decide about it. That the national government as well as the state government, they are going to be sit and decide about it. What are the things we have to take it, because we are suffering from all the March, and previous the March there is the NCA, CCA, NRC. They are going for the January, December. It was there. It was disturbed the school and all the things are there. Then afterwards is the COVID are there. This whole this the 2020 is going to be suffer a lot. Not only that the parents, even the school, each and every community is going to be suffer with this. So all is in all the one board. We can't do anything. Let them see and wait and see, decide about it after the 1 month, after the government taking decision for the reopening of the school, then only we going to be decide about it, what we can do. But as far as this the corporate school, they are going to be charging, they are going to be called the parents, then they can able to pay. But in this locality where there is the low budget schools are there, they are unable to pay it. They are not having the amount at present for the survive. So we are also know about it about like this.
Okay. So do you want to say few words to the students and all?
So first of all thing is there as far as the first question for the online, what I am going to be suggest is there, the students instead of the wasting time on that the electronic gadgets and playing the games, let them have to read some books, whatever the previous year books, let them study the books, let them have connect with it. I request the parents also give something for it, because instead of the roaming here and there, wasting the time, already they have wasted the 3 months. Now still the time is there, let they come. Now the things are coming on normal, but the schools are not open. So the responsibility of their parents to take care about the kids, give time to the kids and see the books. Let them do the last year books, no problem. Let them do the work somewhat. Okay, you call on the teacher, you take the WhatsApp homework instead of the online, you take the WhatsApp homework, let the student do, let the student sit instead of the wasting the time on the PUBG. As you have seen that maximum children from the age from the 2 years to that we can say the 25 years, they are all having the phone in the hand from the morning to evening. What they do, I don't know, but what they are going, now the net is free. Everyone having the net, everyone having the smartphone, everyone. So try to avoid it, because the results of this phone, it is going to become after the 5 to 10 years. Those who are using the phone maximum, okay, for the sake of anything, for the sake of the student, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, no problem. But they are using 10 to 12 hours on the phone. 10 to 12. So I request the parents, especially the parents, just to watch what they are watching on the, what they are doing on that the mobile phone. It is very important. Give time to fun. Take care. Once again, I thank the Trust TV as well as that Imam Taisin Sahab for just providing me time. Thank you very much. Thank you that the host. Okay, thank you.